Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going out. Okay, so today we're going to be going on a scrap run, cleaning up the yard, and we're working on that brake line that busted up at that white shitbox Jeep. And then once that brake line's been complete, that is completely done. Nothing more to do on that besides, sell it. And for as far as the scrap room, we got stuff here. We got stuff up at my buddy's Connor's house that needs to go from all the vehicle parts that we've been, taking off and whatnot over the course of the months. I'd say starting since maybe September, August. So first things first, we're gonna get this nasty, stupid toolbox tonneau cover thingamajiggy off, with the tarp's already ripped, and it gets in the way. It takes up this much of the bed, and it's so stupid. But when it comes to taking off the brackets here, they don't want to come off. They just snap off. I mean, get that for you. It just snaps off. See how the screws sheared off right at the tip here? It's stupid. So much for being. What is this, aluminum? It's probably it's probably aluminum. But that corrodes a little bit, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take that off, then we're gonna load up the truck. We're gonna shoot up to Connor's house, load up the truck there, head to the scrapyard, come back, and fix that brake line. Hope nothing else bursts as we start to bleed it because of the new master cylinder. But alright, let's take this off and load up the truck. Alright, so we're at Contour's house here. What I would like to do before we get rid of some of the stuff is I want to cut out this original Ford logo headlight, and then part of the XJ bumper, just this piece here, I want to cut out so I can use it as a plate to patch the XJ frame, because I did kind of rot. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to definitely cut a piece out of this because I have to patch the XJ frame, because I did have to cut it in there for that cross member, the differential cross member thing, because the bolts and the studs. That was actually stupid. But I'm going to cut that piece out, and I'll cut that headlight out. There's little screws in the back that are rotted, because it does have the Ford Motor Company on there, and it's just glass. You can buff it out, and it'll be great. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to load up these parts that are right here on the ground. So that's from the Jeep and from the blue truck right here, and some other shit that we're just going to pitch as well, so I'm going to go with it. So you know what? Let's get to it. Alright, so now we're at the scrapyard here. I don't know what we're gonna weigh in at. He's gonna tell us at the end. He used to have a little sign there, like a little scale that would show us, but kind of curious to see what we got here. But we got that differential and a whole bunch of that scrap metal from, you know, the parts and then from the Mustang and whatnot. So, and then the rotors. But you see, there's a little spot there for the rotors. Then you come back around, you re-weigh yourself and whatnot. But I'm just gonna, yeah, might as well just do that, right? Go to the rotors and then come back around, re-weigh, and just keep doing that bullshit, you know? Get her done. Oof. No. All right, so we are stuck here in the boneyard here because one, truck won't start. Kept cranking it, and I'm like, what the fuck's going on? So I went out there and I looked. Well, the negative terminal was loose, so I kind of cooked the battery by not having a good connection, but I keep cranking because I was a little pissed off and like, what's going on? You know, so my father's coming out to give us a jump. I tightened it up by finding a pair of pliers in the boneyard pile, and they don't like to open or close, so I had to clamp it on there. I just keep turning. It wasn't even adjusting. So, what do you think, Connor?
Yikes, man.
Oh my god. And this guy here is like... Alright, so we don't have cables. They don't have cables here. Oh man, so just gotta hold off and wait. Jeez Louise. Alright, we'll catch you when we get a jump bike. No, I think that shit the bed. I think that shit the bed.
I think that shit the bed.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. It is what it is. I mean, kind of sucks that I got stopped, you know, broke down inside the junkyard, scrapyard, you know, I mean, it's whatever, but nothing happens the way you want it to happen, but it's gonna get done. I'm not doing that. I don't really feel like doing a fuel pump. Excuse the wind, sorry about that. But yeah, not happening. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.